Hi guys, this is Suzanne. Welcome to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. I'm starting out this evening with a cup of hot honey lemon tea. This is probably one of my favorite teas. It has such a warm and wholesome taste to it, and it just energizes me, relaxes me, and gives me a sense of calm that helps me to tackle the next project coming along. So go ahead and join me for this cup of tea and let's get this project started. Would you like some lemon honey tea, Joseph?
Honey tea. Delicious.
If you've never tried it, I'll fix you a cup. Lemon honey tea. It's so good. So today I am so excited. I have a wonderful project to show you. It's one of my most favorite projects I've done so far. Quick and easy, did not take long. The results are dramatic. Hang on, guys. I love it. Love it. Let me get some paper towels. Comment below if you have ever painted your stairway like this, and comment below and let me know what you think about the before and the after. How's it looking, guys? I'm loving it. Guess what, guys? I think this is one of the funnest projects I've done in a while. Unbelievable transformation. Why haven't I already done this? Hello. And by the way, guys, this is just a laser stencil from Walmart. It is a Waverly Inspiration laser stencil. It's a 6x6. It comes one per packet. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just using some Apple Barrel Outdoor Gloss, Indoor Gloss, dark gray color. You go potty? It's raining. You don't want to go out there. What's great about this project is afterwards it's easy to clean the paint I washed, so I can reuse the stencil. And it took less than 1 bottle of this dark gray paint. So I'm here to show you the afterwards.